cross still stands, the truth remains. Grace still flows through Jesus' veins. Though seasons change and years go by, the power hasn't run dry. What healed the broken long ago is healing hearts and bodies still. I've heard the voices of my past. I felt the weight that tried to last. But every time fear spoke my name, the blood replied, "You're not the same." What sin once claimed, what pain once stole, was answered by a higher call. The work was finished once for all, and still it reaches me. Not my strength, not my plea, but what you did at Calvary. Still the blood makes me whole, still the blood restores my soul. Still the blood speaks peace to me when my body feels weak. Still the blood makes me whole, yesterday, today, forevermore. The same grace that saved my life is healing me right now. It still cleanses every stain, still breaks sickness, still lifts pain. Still silences the voice of shame. Still calls the lost by name. When I don't have the words to pray, when faith feels small along the way, I rest in what you've already done, and let the blood speak for me. Not my words, not my cries, but mercy flowing from your side. Still the blood makes me whole, still the blood restores my soul. Still the blood speaks peace to me when my body feels weak. Still the blood makes me whole, yesterday, today, forevermore. The same grace that saved my life is healing me right now. It still speaks forgiveness, it still speaks life. It still says pain over sickness and strife. It still breaks every chain, it still makes me new. The blood of Jesus is still working through. Still enough for the weary, still enough for the sick, still enough for the broken. This is covenant. Still enough for the waiting, still enough for the weak. Still the blood of Jesus still speaks for me. Still the blood makes me whole. I stand healed and restored. What was purchased at the cross is alive forevermore. Still the blood makes me whole. This will always be my song. Jesus Christ, the risen Lamb, your blood is still enough. Still the blood, still the blood. Chase what's already mine. I rest in what you've done, because the blood that healed the blind is healing me today. Still the blood.